How to buy Minecraft token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 17 hours ago and increased by 200% in less than 4 hours. This token trades in number 8 in the BNB Smart Chain section. Now, to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your BitKit wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar, as you can see. Now click on your token, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and select your token that you just added called Minecraft. Now after that, click on it. Now here you can swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. And after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Minecraft token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.